the probability. In probability we have already started with few sums. Today we shall discuss some more problems. I will read out the question. In an experiment of drawing a card at random, let A be the event of getting spade. Event of getting spade. The event of getting spade is denoted by A, and the event of getting pictured card is denoted by B. Find the probabilities of A, B, A intersection B, A union B. Now here A is the event of getting spade. A is the event of getting a spade. P of A is N of A by N of S. Number of spades that you have is 13, but total number of cards are 52. So that is nothing but 13 ones are 13 fours are, which is 1 by 4. Next, B is the event of getting picture card. How many picture cards are there? 3 into 4. N of P of B is equal to 3 into 4 by 52, that is 12 by 52, which is 6 by 26, which is 3 by 13. Event of getting a pictured card is 3 by 13. A intersection N of A intersection B. A intersection B will be 3. P of A intersection B will be 3 by 52. Okay, and P of A union B, N of A union B is equal to N of A union B, we can write it as a P, we got P of A intersection B. You can find P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, that is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 13 minus 3 by 52. So you have 52 in the denominator. 4 into 13, that is 13. 13 into 4, 3 into 4, 12 minus 3, that is 25 minus 3 by 52, which is 22 by 52. This is what you have. And the next problem. Second problem for today. For any two events A and B show that P of A complement intersection B complement is equal to 1 plus P of A intersection B minus P of A minus P of B. A complement intersection B complement is equal to A union B whole complement. This is the formula. Now, P of A union B bar is equal to 1 minus P of A union B. That is 1 minus P of A union B is nothing but P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So this is nothing but 1 minus P of A minus P of B plus P of A intersection B. Therefore, P of A complement intersection B complement is equal to 1 plus P of A intersection B minus P of A minus P of B. This is what you have. Let us discuss the next problem. Third problem for today. If ABC are three newspapers from a city, 20% of the population read A. P of A is equal to 20 by 100. P of B is equal to 16 by 100. P of C is equal to 14 by 100. P of A intersection B is equal to 8 by 100. P of B intersection C 4 by 100. P of A intersection C 5 by 100. This is 0.2, 0.16, 0.14, 0.08, 0.04, 0.05, and P of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 2 by 100, that is 0.02. You have to find P of A union B union C. I have a formula for P of A union B union C, that is P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of A intersection C, P of B intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. So this is nothing but 0.2 plus 0.16, 0.14 minus 0.08 minus 0.04, 0.05 minus 0.04 minus 0.08 plus 0.02. You add all these and subtract. If you solve this, you will get 0.35. So the population who read all the newspapers are 0.35. This is the population who read newspaper A. This is the population who read newspaper E, B. This is the population who read newspaper C. Both A and B are read by 8%, that is 0.08. Both B and C are read by 4%, that is 0.04. Both A and C are read by 5%, that is 0.05. P of A intersection, all three papers are read by 2% of the people, that is 0.02. P of A union B union C, P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of A intersection C minus P of B intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Substitute all the values here, solve it, you get 0.35. This is the probability of people who read all the newspapers. It's about today's class. We'll continue with some more problems. The next problem that we have today is, if one ticket is randomly selected from the tickets numbered from 1 to 30, then find the probability that number on the ticket is a multiple of 5 or 7, a multiple of 3 or 5. From 30 tickets, number of ways of drawing a ticket is 30C1. Let A be the event of getting multiple of 5. A is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. B be the event of getting multiple 7, 7, 14, 21, 28. A intersection B is 5. No element is common, so A intersection B is 5. P of A union B is P of A plus P of B, that is 6 by 30 plus 4 by 30, which is 10 by 30, that is equal to 1 by 3. So P of A union B is 1 by 3. Suppose A is the event of getting multiple of 3, B is the event of getting multiple of 5. A is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. These are the multiples of A between 3 and 30, or including from 1 to 30, these are the multiples of 30. Multiples of B are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. A intersection B is 15, 30. P of A is 10 by 30. P of B is 6 by 30. P of A intersection B is 2 by 30. P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, that is 10 by 30 plus 6 by 30 minus 2 by 30. 16 this is 16 minus 2 by 30, which is 14 by 30, that will give you 7 by 15. So the probability of getting multiples 5 or 7 is 1 by 3. Probability of getting multiples 3 or 5 is 7 by 15. That's about this problem. Here in this problem, it is given that A and B, persons A and B are seeking admission in IIT company. Probability of A is 0.5. Probability that both get the job is 0.3. Is it possible that the probability of B to be selected is 0.9? This is what you have to find out. P of A is 0.5, P of A intersection B is 0.3. P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, that is 0.5 plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is 0.3. 0.5 minus 0.3 is 0.2 plus P of B. Now, P of A union B is less than or equal to 1. Probability is always less than or equal to 1. So, 0.2 plus P of B is less than or equal to 1. 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. So, P of B is less than or equal to 0.8. So, it is not possible that P of B is equal to 0.9. That's about this problem. Let us check I will give you one problem for homework, try it out. I will tell you how to do, you do. The probability for a contractor to get a road contract is 2 by 3. Let P of A is equal to 2 by 3. And the probability to get building contract, let P of B is equal to 5 by 7. Probability to get at least one, that is P of A union B is equal to 4 by 5. Find the probability to get both the contracts, that is they are asking P of A intersection B is equal to question mark. You have the formula, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Substitute in this formula, you will get it. I will read out the question. The probability for a contractor to get a road contract is 2 by 3 and to get a building contract is 5 by 9. To get both the contracts, at least one contract is 4 by 5. Find the probability to get both the contacts, that is P of A intersection B you have to find. P of A intersection B formula is what? P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Substitute the values, that is you have 2 by 3 plus 5 by 9 minus 4 by 5. You get the answer for this. You get the answer as 19 by 45. Just check. So that's about today's class, children. We shall continue in the next session.